is this is a simple background with the bit of detail is the white horse, the white Shire horse, and the farmer. The background, which is the sky, the oak tree and the fence, is what we'll paint first. The sky is going to be ultramarine, so it makes a nice, suitable amount of ultramarine, about that colour. And Naples yellow, not too strong, about that strength. If you have yellow ochre, we'd use yellow ochre. If you don't have yellow ochre, I'm going to mix yellow ochre with raw sienna. Naples yellow, and a touch of burnt umber. A little more water. Try to match up with that. That's about right. And a mauve colour, pale purple. I'm going to use ultramarine and a touch of Windsor red, interesting red. A bit more water. That's about right. Okay. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to the paper first for the sky, just to make the application of the ultramarine a little bit easier. I'm going to paint all over, ignore the tree at this stage, and just try to paint around the horse and the man and stop on the hedgerow line. If we try to go down, we're going to create problems with the colours as they're added to. So, water. I'm going to create the clouds with Naples yellow. So leave a bit of dry paper where you want the clouds to be. Put in the blue, which will stop roughly where you want the clouds to be. take off a little bit of the build-up, just so that it doesn't run too far down the page. Once you get the other colour on, it runs down rather rapidly, so you may have to just change the tilt of your board a touch. Come down into the distant trees, carefully paint around the horse's head. And about there, go into your yellow ochre colour. It isn't strong. Add a bit of water to it if necessary. The tricky part of this application is putting the distant trees on. I penciled this in rather strong. The distant hills should be quite a pale line. You will find that the colour will go above, and you will see the pencil line go through it, show through it. So I would suggest, when you do this, do that pencil line so you can just see it. It will make for a nicer picture at the end. That should be okay. This is just beginning to lose its gloss. The way we want to apply the purple colour is by making sure your brush doesn't have too much liquid on it. So just take out the excess liquid from the brush and take one dip. Now you'll need to stir it because the ultramarine will have settled to the bottom of your palette. So take off some of the colour from your brush. And just come down to the baseline. I nearly committed the error of going back to previously applied colour, which as we know is not always a good idea. I'm going to wash my brush out. Again, take the excess moisture out of the brush and just smooth the line at the top of the field. If your brush contains more liquid and is wetter than the surface, you would have ugly cauliflowers. So we need to leave that and let it dry. So that will take a few minutes, so we'll come back when that's dry.